So today I'm going to show you how to design and create a super easy pop-up card within Cricut Design Space. So this is a pop-up card with text on it. So any sentiment like happy birthday or thank you or anything along those lines where you can write a simple phrase. Okay, so the key thing here is we want to create text that can fit in at most 2 lines, and if it's 1 line, that's fine as well. So I'm going to do an example with happy birthday and thanks. So the key thing to remember here is that first, when we create our text, the easiest thing to do is to use a thick line font that is roughly the same height. If you want to use something that is not the same height, then you want to pick a font that is like a cursive font that you can connect together so that they hold each other up. So here I've typed happy birthday, and let's just pick, this one looks good. Okay, a frightful affair. Doesn't look very frightful, but okay. So the first thing, I'm just gonna make this slightly bigger so it's easier to see. The first thing you want to do is you select the text that you just typed. You want to type all your text in one text box so that they're all the same height. And then you want to ungroup. And after you've ungrouped, the letters are all separated. We want to just select one of the words and bring it down and have it make sure that it meets the bottom of the top word meets the top of the bottom word. Okay, so you might consider just shifting it ever so slightly. It's really up to you. Then we want to select everything, and then we're going to weld this. Okay, so we've welded it. Now we want to make this symmetrical so that this center line between the top of the top word and the bottom of the bottom word is symmetrical against the base of the card. And so to do that, we want to create a rectangle. And let's see. So we want this rectangle to be wider than the widest word. And then height-wise, it's just a matter of preference in terms of, like, does it look better with the word smaller or bigger? So I just make it roughly the same size or maybe a little bit bigger. Okay, so this looks good. We're going to duplicate, bring one at the bottom. So we want to keep this symmetrical so that this pops out right in the middle of the card. Okay, so this looks good. I'm going to select everything, and then I'm going to center a line. Ooh. Sorry, it's called something else here. It's called center horizontally. Okay, with everything selected, we're going to weld this again. So now this is the top piece with the cutout. And then we want to make a bottom piece that's the same size as this entire rectangle. And so the easiest thing to do here is to create another square. And we're just going to copy these dimensions. You can also slice, there's many things you can do. Ooh, what's going on here? Made a mistake. Oh, sorry. Rookie mistake. Alright, I didn't unlock this. There we go. Okay, so now we just send this to, I don't bother with scoring lines because it's just, they never line up and it's a pain in the butt and nobody has a scoring tool anyways. So So now this card is just two pieces, the base piece and then the top piece, and it folds in a symmetrical way along the middle of the line. So you just fold it in half basically, increase it, and that's it. Super easy pull-up card. So I'm just going to move this to the side real quick. So I'm going to demonstrate how to do this with just a single line. So let's say thanks. So here for just a single line, what we're going to do is instead of this top word, we're just going to put a block. And the way we want the dimensions of the block is going to be, well, there's a couple of choices, but I like to make it the same with the rough dimensions of this text. So, okay, so we have this box right here. We're going to unlock it, and we want to copy, paste again the dimensions here. Then I'm just going to put this right on top here, connect all the letters, align, let's just left align, and then weld this again. And then again, we're going to create the box on top. And you can either, it's up to you. You can either make this longer or you can make it, you could make it the, same width. So, you duplicate that and then you put it on the bottom and then you weld everything together. Center horizontally. Okay. So same thing here, and then it just folds in a symmetrical way. That's it. And now you've got two, you can basically write anything you want, customize a name, any sentiment you want, and make your own pop version of that card.